Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to fix the error. Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Windows Start menu and click on Settings. Inside Settings, go to Time and Language on the left side, then select Language and Region. Scroll down to the Region section. From the drop-down under Country or Region, change it to United States, or a commonly supported region like UK or Canada. This helps especially if the app or site you're using is region-locked or under maintenance in your current country. After you change the region, go ahead and restart your computer to apply the changes properly. Now go back and try accessing the website or service. The error message should be gone. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the "Sorry, we are unable to handle your request at this time" error. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.